Welcome to Help Screen. And if you don't know how to search filters on Instagram, first you must do is just simply go ahead and select the plus icon at the middle of the screen. Now here on the plus icon, first thing is I'm going to show you how to search effects on the Reels. So go to the Reels tab and just simply go ahead and swipe down from your gallery, and now over here, just simply select the effects icon on the left side, or you could just simply select the arrow icon to see multiple effects, to see multiple features. So tap on effects, and you should be able to see the search icon on the left side over here. And from here, you should be able to search for specific effects that you prefer. Now, if you want to add a effects on the story, you don't wanna you're not gonna be able to see it on the left side as you can see over here. Now just simply go ahead and browse through the effects over here down below, and just simply swipe to the left side until you see over here browse effects. So tap on it, and from here you should be able to see the effects, and tap on the search icon and search bar over here to search for effects. You should be able to use this feature. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like and subscribe to really help my channel out. Thanks for watching.